Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to check battery health using Ampere app on Oukitel WP36. Firstly, go to the Play Store. Now tap on search and search up Ampere. Now tap on this and install this app. Tap on install. And now, once your installation has succeeded, you can open the app, tap OK, consent, and as you can see, my battery health is good, and I can go to left or to right to display a lot of the information in different themes. So that's all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, write them in the comments.